integration f dash x upon fx, we have to adjust 2 here. Okay, why? Because s square derivative is 2s, we have only 1s. Okay, that's why we have to adjust here 2. If we have to adjust here 2, we have to divide by 2. Okay, in similar this also we have to adjust 2 and divide by 2, half, and take that half outside because it is constant, and take 2s here, 2s. Okay, this is one adjustment for derivative. Now what it comes, log of integration is s square, derivative of denominator is in the numerator, that's why integration of this integrand is log of denominator. Here also log of denominator, s square plus b square. Integration from s to limits are s to infinity. Now again use log property, log a minus log b is log a upon b. Again we have to divide the numerator and denominator by s square, highest power of s. S square, divide the numerator by s square, we get 1 here plus s square upon s square. Also we have to divide s square by denominator. To the denominator we get s squared by s square is 1 plus b square upon s square. Now put the infinity value. We get here log 1 upper limit everywhere, that is 0 after next step, and minus lower limit s to s. Okay, just put the earlier step expression only. You don't need to put this expression here. Okay, that's why log 1 is 0. Again here minus 1 take on upper side. We get here half log s square plus a square upon s square plus b square inverse. Right? Inverse means just flip the numerator and denominator. Okay. Okay. Now next slide. Let us consider the next example, 30th. L of sine square t upon t. Now here sine square is there. That's why we have to find first Laplace transform of sine square t, which already we have calculated in earlier example. Let us again see. Let's see again this sine square t. Let f of t, numerator is sine square t. Sine square t formula is 1 minus cos 2t upon 2. Okay. Therefore, we have to find out next step Laplace of numerator, that is L of ft is L of this function. Now take 2 half outside and Laplace inside. We get 1 Laplace is 1 by s. Cos Laplace is s upon s square plus 2 square, that is 4. This is the simplest numerator for Laplace. Call it as phi of s. Now by using property 1 or division property, what is L of ft upon t? Now division by t is integration s to infinity phi of s upon phi of s into ds. Put this phi of s here in this integrand, and in that this step also, and take half outside constant. Okay, this is 1 by x and minus s upon s square plus 4. Okay, now here in like earlier example we have to adjust 2. Okay, that's why in next step here we are going to adjust 2 and half outside. But here we don't need any adjustment because integration of 1 upon x is log x. That's why it is log s, and minus this half as it is, and integration of this is log of denominator s square plus 4. Okay. Okay, now consider here we directly use the property log a minus log b, but here we can't use directly log a minus log b until and unless this half comes outside. That's why we have to do one more adjustment here. What we have to do, just adjust to take this half common, adjust half here into 2. Okay, understood? That's why on next step take this half outside and multiply with this outer half, we get 1 by 4. And here 2 log s minus this half gets cancelled outside and log. Now again we cannot use log a minus log b property until this 2 gets cancelled. For that use log property, this 2 gets on this. Okay, log s square minus this log bracket. Now we can use log a minus log b property. What is that? Log a upon b. Okay, for this adjustment you have to do these two more extra steps. Okay. Now again, next step, just before putting the values of upper limit and lower limit, we have to divide the numerator and denominator by highest power of s. What is that? S square. Numerator divided by s square is 1. Denominator divided by s square becomes 1 plus 4 upon s square. Now put the infinity value, we get here only 0. Log 1 upper limit minus, we have to put lower limit only s instead of s. That's why it becomes original expression. Hmm? That's why it is 0. Log 1 is 0 minus this is. And this you have to just don't you can skip this step of inverse, and directly you can take flip the numerator and denominator here. This is our final answer. Okay.